Hello, my name is Annette.
And my name is Alexander.
And we are doing a PSA, also known as a public service announcement.
A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with winds increasing of 35 miles per hour and visibility of less than a quarter mile for more than 3 hours.
A blizzard is formed when hot air rises over cold air. There are two ways this could happen. Winds pull cold air toward the equator from the poles and bring warm air toward the poles from the equator.
When warm air and cold air are brought together, a front is formed and precipitation can occur. Blizzards can also occur after snowfall when high winds cause whiteouts, and which is when fallen snow is blowing around, which decreases visibility.
In the United States, blizzards are common in the upper Midwest and the Great Plains, but occur in most areas of the country except for the Gulf Coast and the California coast. Blizzards can occur all over the world, even in the tropics where it is cold on high altitude mountaintops.
Blizzards can be severe. Travel becomes dangerous when the blowing snow causes whiteout conditions, and sky and ground look white. Roads can be partially or fully blocked by snowdrifts. Many times, cold temperatures can cause frostbites, and hypothermia are parts of blizzard and can last for days or after the storm has ended.
Do not travel during winter weather unless absolutely necessary. Dress warmly and make sure the car is in good running condition and has a full tank of gas. Bring a winter storm kit and include chains, booster cables, shovel, blankets, extra clothing, food, water, and a cell phone. Reduce speeds when driving and allow extra distance for braking on slick roadways.
Keep away from downed power lines. If you become stranded, turn on the emergency flashers or raise the hood. Run the engine for short periods, making sure the tailpipe is clear of snow and window is cracked for ventilation.
If you are outdoors in a blizzard, dress in several layers of clothing and wear a hat. Mittens will keep your hands warmer than gloves. Remember that wind increases the cooling effect on the human body, so exposed skin will get frostbitten easier on cold, windy days.
If you're at home, stock emergency supplies like food, water, flashlights in case the power goes out. Use improved indoor heating devices, not charcoal, and be especially careful with fires and candles.
Stay safe and warm.